McLaren has a sort of sense of place because they're invasive plants are invading, and they are indigenous plants who are native to McLaren, and that's their home, that's their sense of place. But these invasive plants come in and terrorize the soil of McLaren, and it sort of tarnishes their hold on their sense of place in McLaren, the indigenous plants. So yeah, that sense of place.
Okay. So McLaren can relate to balance and imbalance because it's basically a fight between the non-native plants and the invasive plants. So the non-native plants came from foreign areas like Europe that settlers brought over a long time ago, and basically they took over the area where our original native plants used to live. So now there's an imbalanced area in McLaren that we're basically working on that can help bring it back to balance. So we're help weeding these invasive plants to help balance out the area.
So how does McLaren connect to our classes in WALC?
I think because we learn a lot about native history of this country and the lands and stuff. And then in Mr. B's class, he taught us a lot about having a diverse society, and we try to apply that when we go to McLaren Park, because we try to create a diverse ecosystem rather than just monoculture. So I think that's, and also, we just learn how to find our sense of place in McLaren and in the city particularly, because there's not a lot of opportunities for us to be out in nature a lot, except for the camping trips, and we kind of learn how to balance that in our own lives.
So how does McLaren connect to WALC?
I think it connects to WALC because when we go to McLaren, we're kind of restoring how things are at McLaren Park, and at WALC we do recycling and composting, so it's kind of like we're restoring things at the school too.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then we're students from Balboa who plant, so that's how it connects to WALC. And I think we're the only pathway who actually does stuff like that, help other people.
Yeah.
Great.
I am the plant man. I'm a superhero for the plants. Have you thanked a plant lately? Get down next to a leaf. Give it plenty of carbon dioxide and say, plants, plants, plants. Give plants a chance, everybody now. Plants, 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 plants. Give plants a chance. Believe me when I say